2022 की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म ब्रह्मास्त्र, जिसकी हर ओर चर्चा है। फिल्म कंट्रोवर्सीज में फंसती जा रही थी, बॉयकॉट हो रही थी, लेकिन हाल ही में सबसे बड़ी खबर ये आई थी कि आलिया और रणबीर जब माँ कालेश्वर दर्शन करने गए थे तो वहाँ पे एक प्रोटेस्ट हो गया था और वो दर्शन नहीं कर पाए थे। आहानी इकलौते ऐसे थे जिन्होंने वहाँ दर्शन किए। लेकिन आज दिल्ली आए रणबीर आलिया ने तो जवाब नहीं दिया, लेकिन डायरेक्टर ने उनके बिहाफ पे इस कंट्रोवर्सी का जवाब देते हुए क्या कहा, ये आप सुनिए।
Uh, Madhya Pradesh mein, I'll just tell you thing. I was feeling really bad that honestly Ranveer and Alia did not come with me for darshan to Mahakaleshwar temple. आपको थोड़ी history मैं बताता हूँ उसकी. I had gone to Mahakaleshwar before my motion poster release. Actually, that time also I was coming to Delhi. And I had told myself that before the release of the film, I will definitely go again. And both of them were very keen to come with me. And honestly, till the end, they were very keen that they will come. But when we reached there and we heard about this, I felt a little bit that let me go alone. It is eventually I had gone to seek blessings and energy for the film, and that blessing is for everybody. Um, and I just didn't want to take Alia there, in her current condition as well. So I went alone, though I felt very bad. And honestly, when I went, I did feel that they could have also come and gotten their darshan. So that is on me. Overall, about everything else, Ashutosh ji, my feeling is that with Brahmastra, we have this line, jo film pe likhi hui hai. The light is coming. And by light in the film, we mean everything that is positive and spiritual in this life. And with this whole marketing effort, with this film, my thing is that we must only spread warmth and positivity because that is what we all want and that is what the whole world needs. And I truly think that we've worked so hard on the film. और इस film में इतना celebration है Indian culture का, इतना deeply and naturally, that I know the film is releasing in 2 days. I feel that every single person is going to feel that positivity. So I want to keep this really positive and just say that this film stands for positivity and that positive energy of the film will touch people.
Sir, I'll give my own example because I will not speak about other films. I had a film release days, probably a month and a half back, few weeks back, called Shamshera. I didn't feel any negativity. If the film didn't run at the box office, it's probably because the audience didn't like the film. Eventually, it is about the content. अगर आप अच्छी film दो, अच्छा content दो, if people feel entertained, of course, who doesn't want to go to the movies, to the cinema, experience a different emotion, get moved by characters, feel an emotion, get entertained, have a great laugh, cry, feel something. We all want to feel that. So it is only for that. अगर film नहीं चलती, it's not because of any other reason. It has not worked because the content is not good. And that's simply put, that's the true answer to that.
तो सुना आपने अयान ने क्या कहा। हालांकि आलिया और रणबीर इस सवाल से बचते दिखे और अयान ने भी जिस तरीके से इस सवाल का जवाब दिया वो भी बहुत सरल तरीके से दिया। ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो और किसी कंट्रोवर्सीज में फंसना नहीं चाहते हैं और अपनी फिल्म को बहुत ही सही तरीके से, बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से रिलीज़ करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि इस फिल्म से जिस तरीके से लगातार कंट्रोवर्सी जुड़ी रही, जिस तरीके से इस फिल्म का बॉयकॉट होता रहा, उस फिल्म से कहीं ना कहीं आलिया, रणबीर और अयान चिंतित दिख रहे थे। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो यही चाहते थे कि जिस तरीके से इस फिल्म में एक मैसेज है कि पॉजिटिविटी ऑल अराउंड, वो यही चाहते हैं कि इस वर्ल्ड में और सभी जगह एक पॉजिटिव नोट के साथ इस फिल्म को सिनेमाघरों में रिलीज़ किया जाए।